Sometimes I want a different mind, I want a different body. I don't really hate myself, I just want someone to love me. I've tried to run from mirrors, cause I stay there way too long. Tried changing my appearance, but those feelings